Bonjour à tous et bienvenue sur ce quatrième épisode du Let's Play Enderal. Donc on n'avait pas fait grand chose la dernière fois, mais pour résumer un peu la situation, nous sommes arrivés à Ark, la capitale d'Enderal, avec notre nouveau compagnon Jespar, qui nous a proposé de nous amener à ses employeurs pour qu'ils nous guérissent de la fièvre arcanique. Et dans l'épisode précédent, on a découvert que son employeur, c'est Théalor Arantheal, le grand maître du Saint-Ordre, et donc il doit nous y conduire.
Luck blessed.
Well, look who's arrived. Did you have any problems finding your way around? This city can be quite a maze if you don't know it.
Ouais, c'est vrai qu'on s'est un peu perdu la dernière fois. Et non, ça va, pas vraiment. Vous savez, je suis habitué aux grandes villes.
Right, you're from Ostian. I almost forgot. They're quite fascinating, these places, aren't they? You can climb high, and you can fall just as deep. And every place vibrates with life.
C'est vrai.
Treat yourself.
Here, put this on. And before you ask, yes, it's necessary. Just trust me.
Quoi? Qu'est-ce que je dois mettre? Attends, il m'a enlevé mon bouclier là? Attends. Ah d'accord. Et je ressemble... Bah... très bien. Il a dit qu'on posait pas de questions, donc on va le suivre. On avance?
That's it. And why is it Malphas who carries the Sun Temple on his back? Isn't
Qui
that a
parle?
gesture of servitude?
No, Malphas carries the Sun Temple because he also carries humanity. Without the benevolence and sublimity of the gods, the world would still be at war, just as it was after the devastation of Starfall.
Bon, il parle des dieux. Et Malphas qui porte le temple du soleil sur son dos. Est-ce qu'on va le voir? Bon, peu importe. On a vu ça la dernière fois dans l'épisode précédent. Donc on est dans les quartiers
So,
nobles.
about this fever. Usually those gifted with magic have to report their talent to the Order, and then pass a ritual that teaches them how to deal with their magic. The journey to the water is what they call it. Once they've passed that, the fever reduces to an endurable level, and
Je vais peut-être augmenter le son. La voix est déjà au max. C'est peut-être... Est-ce que...
blue alchemists have their names registered in some kind of holy book. But there are other ways to get rid of the fever.
Ouais, ça n'a rien changé.
Employer will tell you about them.
On avance. Où est-ce qu'il est? Non mais... putain... Je déteste ces phases où il faut suivre un personnage. Parce qu'il y a toujours des bugs.
Okay, almost there.
Oui. Bah avance.
This is holy ground, Outlander. You do not belong here.
Oui, excuse-moi, je regardais la vue. Et là, on va arriver au temple du soleil. Oh, on voit des ruines là-bas. C'est beau. Ça donne envie de tout explorer, ça. Oh. Une jolie statue.
Hold it, my sir. No civilians beyond this point without explicit permission. Who are you and what leads you to this holy place?
Business. I'm Jaspar Dalveric, and I work for the Naramese mages.
Oh, right. The mercenary. And who's your companion?
Marijo de Luna from Ostian, esteemed holder of de Luna's Empire of Tender Fragrance, the most prestigious perfumery in all of Vin.
D'accord.
Archmagister Marigil sent for him. Didn't he tell you?
The Archmagister. Well, that does sound like him. Fair enough, you may pass. But show this place the respect it deserves, mercenary. You too, Meister de Luna.
Oui, bien sûr.
You have my word, fair lady. Thank you.
C'est quoi ce petit parchemin là? Ouais, bah, je suis pas un voleur. Donc on va essayer de pas faire trop de conneries.
This is holy ground, Outlander. You don't belong here.
Oui, mais on m'a dit que je pouvais venir. De toute façon, il veut pas m'arrêter, donc non, c'est bon. Alors,
Well, that went better than expected.
vous êtes sûr qu'ils découvriront rien?
Nah, I don't think so.
Bon.
Nobody will suspect someone who's already in the temple. Anyway, I think it's about time I tell you a little bit more about this employer of mine. His name is Constantine Firespark.
Ah, c'est
and
pas
he's one of
Théalore.
Rathzel Orenthiel's former followers, which the new Grand Master, Tealor Orenthiel, brought here by ship about 2 years ago.
D'accord.
That means he's one of the former arch enemies of the Order. They usually wear green, while the Order wears white or red. That should make it easy for you to tell them apart. Firespark's pretty much the eldest of Naratzel's mages, and quite well versed in magic, at least from what I've heard. Plus, he's a very gentle and likable fellow, which is why even the keepers like having him around. Let's hope he can tell us a thing or two about these visions, and help you get rid of the fever. Come, follow me. Huh? Keep your chin up.
Oula, t'enfuis pas, j'espère. Je vais te perdre.
Unreliable. That's what they are, all of them.
Qu'est-ce que tu fais?
All right, here we are.
Faut qu'on entre.
Hang on.
No. That's not how you do it.
Blast it! I'm just being careful. We
Like
have to.
heck we do. Give me that thing, now.
Putain.
Blasted, blistering blazes. That's what you get for working with fumblers. I told you, we
Like the
should be
Firespark.
careful. What? Now who the heck are you? Can't an old man have a moment to himself?
You hired me. The Magister, don't you remember?
Oh, right. Joseph the Scrounger. So why are you here?
Il avait pas dit qu'il était sympathique?
Jaspar. And yeah, we did find something.
Suggest you first of all tell me when I allowed you to drag your drinking mates up here. Do you need me to explain the meaning of the words highly and confidential to you?
I'm sure there's a lot you can explain to me, but let's save that for later. This particular fellow over here needs your help, to be frank. Arcane fever.
Is that so? And what exactly has that got to do with me? Let the Keepers and their holy rituals take care of it. What is it with the
quoi ce
costume
sourire, là?
anyway?
This man's magic is different, Meiser. Just feel his aura and you'll see it. Plus, he's from Nehrim, just as you are.
Well, all right then, for nostalgia's sake. I really hope you're not wasting my time, though. Working with these religious buffoons is bound to make any rational thinking person go bonkers. Anyway, that chair over there. Take a seat, and I'll have a look at that fever of yours.
D'accord.
All right then, this will tickle a little. Yeah, you're right. This aura does feel different. Complex somehow and powerful. And do you really want to tell me you've only recently discovered that talent of yours? With that aura, I'm surprised that you haven't turned into an Obaya by now. Fine. Well, that is, we will help you. But first, tell me everything. How you got that magic, and how you met that scrounger. I see. Regarding this vision thing, I think that your mind simply played a trick on you there. Not that it's much of a surprise, considering what you've been through. Actually, you were quite lucky that the sudden outburst of your glance didn't blow your head right off.
D'accord. L'embrasement soudain de mon regard. Qu'est-ce que vous entendez par là?
By all that's holy, I won't start playing your tutor now. If you don't know about the basic functioning of magic, then read something from Balador Goldenstein.
The glance on the sea of eventualities. Alongside, but apart from the reality we're in right now, exist countless other realities, in which some events have different outcomes, so to speak. A version of this very same room, for example, with the very same people in it, only that Meiser Firespark's beard is on fire. And what defines an Arcanist, someone capable of magic, is that he or she can see those other realities and let parts of them come true.
Well, look at that, Jasper. You surprised me.
That's what I'm being paid for.
How powerful an Arcanist is depends on 3 factors. How far away are the eventualities that he can see, how well he can bring parts of them into our reality, and finally, how well his mind can handle seeing other realities simultaneously with ours. Lighting a candle is easier than calling a meteor from the sky, to speak plain Inal, but as I said, read Goldenstein if you're interested in the topic. I'm not going to waste any time with lectures.
Je sais pas si vous avez bien compris comment fonctionne la magie, mais moi je trouve que le lore autour de ça, l'explication qu'ils en donnent, c'est vraiment extrêmement bien trouvé. Peut-être qu'ils se sont inspirés de certaines choses qui existent déjà et que je ne connais pas, mais moi j'ai vraiment découvert ça dans Enderal, et je trouve que c'est extrêmement bien trouvé, ça marche super bien. Encore un des points qui font que ouais, j'adore vraiment ce jeu. Ah oui. Et cette chapelle sur l'eau. Chaque fois que je touche une de ces pierres, je sens comme... Je ne sais pas. Comme si quelque chose me revenait.
Well, that's probably a sign that you should go easier on the booze.
D'accord.
Skill,
Rien à
of
foutre.
physical or magical nature, isn't gained through touching some stones, but through hard work and discipline. Even though this screwball Endralean talk of paths and predeterminations tries to tell us otherwise.
Bon. Mais c'est pas tout. Je n'ai pas que de simples visions. Elles semblent différentes, presque réelles.
Well, if that's what you want to believe, go for it. I, in any case, have never come across such a phenomenon in over 50 years of studying magic. And now we should...
It all begins with the dreams.
What the... Blasted, blistering blazes! Does this room look like the bosom of a whore to you? Or what makes you think you can go around touching anything you get your fingers on? These documents are confidential, for heck's sake. I knew it was a mistake to hire a thug like you. Lashery always had a weakness for...
Correct me if I'm wrong, but I remember you telling me something about dreams that led you and Tealor Renthiel here, didn't you, my sir? And you told me that in this vision of yours, the Veiled Woman said this. It all begins with the dreams.
Oui,
What? Is that true?
oui, c'est vrai.
Oh. Then this near-death experience you had before you woke up on the shore. Tell me again, what exactly did you see in it? A room?
Ah, maintenant on m'écoute. Alors, j'ai vu un scintillement blanc, des corps carbonisés, mais leur chair n'était pas naturelle, grise. Et j'ai entendu toutes ces voix.
Well, this is strange indeed. Anyway, for now all that matters is that we get that magic of yours under control. Whatever you clairvoyanced back there is of no use to us if you're dead as a doornail in a couple of months.
Et comment on va procéder pour passer ma magie sous contrôle?
Well, that's usually a plodding process. The fever you feel is a result of your mind not being able to handle all of these possibilities, so to speak. The ritual the Endraleans practice to get the glance under control is called the Journey to the Water. Put frankly, it means 1 year of hour-long meditation, bland food, and abstinence from anything that makes life worth living. In due time, the Arcanist then learns to filter these other realities from ours, and the fever gets less and less. Anyhow, luckily enough, we Neremes know of a way to quicken that process.
Ah,
A shortcut, if you will. I'm not capable of performing it, but another one of us is. Her name is Lashery, and you should seek her out as soon as possible.
bah... Je me pose quand même des questions sur ces raccourcis. Il n'y a pas une bonne raison pour que cette traversée des flots soit si longue?
There is indeed, and this reason is called ignorance.
D'accord.
The Order's rituals haven't changed since the Lightborn slipped out of their cradles, and the Keepers do their best to keep anything progressive out of their country. But please, if you're up for a year of austerity and stern-faced magisters scolding you, go for it. I really don't care.
Au moins, il ne mâche pas ses mots. Je le trouve drôle. Bah, très bien, je passerai votre fameux rituel. Où est-ce que je vais pouvoir trouver cette Lashery?
She's currently in a ruin called Old Rashengrad, not far from Ark. Just tell her that I sent you. Give me that map of yours.
Oui.
Okay, now you'd have to be a total idiot to miss it. I recommend leaving for the ruin straight away. And you, Joseph, you're going to come with me and show me what your trip to the Sun Coast brought forth. Hopefully, more than a bottle of honey wine and a hangover.
Quite a character, isn't he?
Oh yeah.
But I like him somehow. Here, I owe you this for your help back in Riverville. And in case you're in the mood for a mug of ale and a good chat, just drop by the Dancing Nomad in the Stranger's Quarter. I'll get myself a room there for the time being.
Ok.
With all that said, good luck mastering your magic, my friend. I'll see you around.
À bientôt. Dans l'histoire principale d'Enderal, vous avez la possibilité d'approfondir vos liens avec plusieurs personnes. Attention, ces missions ne sont pas disponibles jusqu'à la fin. Si l'histoire principale progresse trop, l'histoire de certaines personnes ne se révélera pas. D'accord. Oui. Donc, retrouver, j'espère, au nomade dansant. Donc, d'après ce que j'ai compris, sur le petit message qu'on a eu précédemment, c'est que vaut mieux pas laisser passer les opportunités d'aller discuter avec les personnages. J'ai pas vraiment l'impression que j'espère soit un personnage secondaire, mais Bon voilà, je pense que dès qu'on pourra, on ira voir, j'espère, au nomade dansant. En fonction de... Je vois qu'il est 1h, enfin 2h de l'après-midi. Je pense qu'on a le temps d'aller voir la chérie. Oui, la chérie. Découvrez... Ça, on s'en fout. Oui, à minuit, on ira voir le fameux troll pour récupérer l'âne, la monture. Ah, c'est vrai qu'on avait récupéré une clé et qu'on ne sait pas à quoi elle sert. La clé de Hiro. Ça se trouve, c'était chez lui et on a loupé un coffre ou une porte. Tant pis. Bon. Tué par la cuillère. Excusez-moi. Comment êtes-vous né? Qui dans le temple fait partie de votre ordre? J'ai du mal à vous différencier.
Oh, don't tell Lucy that. Altogether it's her, Yuslan, me, and 2 acolytes. Yuslan is probably the most gifted entropist of the civilized world, and I doubt there's anyone who knows more about the Pyreans than Lucy.
Les Pyréens, pour vous rappeler, c'est une espèce de civilisation ancestrale. Et au début de l'aventure, on était dans un temple pyréen, justement. Une civilisation qui a disparu, bien entendu. De quelle région de Nérim êtes-vous exactement?
Ah, that's hard to tell. Most of the time I was with Narathzul's order in the Kabet Mountains. But when I was younger, I used to travel a lot, not only in Nerim. What about you? Which idiots did you have the misfortune to be raised by? The foolhardy rebels up north? The bootlicking pawns of the Chancellor in the Middle Realm? Or the fanatic, mask-wearing cultist oafs down south?
Eh ben, les derniers. Ostian, pour être précis.
Ostian, I see. A beautiful piece of earth, actually. But these sodding cultists and their creator have done their best to make it a living nightmare. Truth be told, it was them who made me join Narathzul's fight against religion back in the days. I was a young traveling arcanist then, and wanted to make some money in Ostian's arena. Fight some rabid animals, oh, you know the story. I had heard a lot about Nerim's south, and imagined a place at the pulse of life. Exotic music, adventure, beautiful women. But you know who greeted me when I reached the city gates?
Qui?
Corpses. They burnt their skin off, and then nailed them to crosses. There were at least 50 of them. Men, women, children. And they were set up at the roadside like trees in an alley.
C'est exactement ce qu'on a vu dans la première vision, au tout début du jeu. Crucifiés.
The screams of those who still lived, and all of it only because some fool has decided that they had somehow acted against their god. I still dream of it sometimes. Well, that was when I declared war on religion. I was so sick of seeing people cutting each other's throats only because they project their own personal problems into some holy scripture or higher power. And that's not even the worst part. They're beyond reason. Why are you doing this, I asked them. Because my God told me to. What's left to say there? You can essentially justify anything with that logic. This is why this place makes me sick. We need the Order's manpower. They need our knowledge about the Pyreans, and we both do want the same thing, yes. But philosophy and freedom of thought are nowhere to be found. It's pathetic.
Étudier la religion. Plutôt ça. Mais le problème, est-ce que c'est réellement la religion elle-même, et pas plutôt les gens qui l'utilisent pour leurs propres ambitions?
Yes, and no. On the one hand, yes, a happy person will most likely never become a murderer, no matter if he or she follows the teachings of this creator or some Quiranian philosopher. But if something happens to this person, hunger, fear, shattered dreams, a peaceful ideology can make all the difference. What is religion after all? It's a guide to live life, a set of values. And even if it's just one line in the Holy Scripture that says, kill the infidels, how likely is it that a broken man will interpret it in a peaceful way? If you want a justification to spill blood, you will find it. If your religion was ambivalent to begin with, even better. There's a lot of discussion about that on Kira. And it drives me mad to hear people prattling on about how it's all a matter of interpreting the scripture in different ways. Blazes, if your ideology is so peaceful, why does it say, slayeth this, slayeth that, rather than just get along? It's pathetic.
En d'autres mots, une religion parfaitement pacifiste ne devrait posséder aucun caractère ambivalent.
Yes, go on. Try to justify a massacre like the one in Ostian, with a philosophy that consists of only two principles and nothing more. Respect those around you, and killing is bad regardless of the motives. Good luck.
J'irai pas jusqu'à dire que la religion est dangereuse. Personnellement, je pense que la religion peut aussi faire le bien. Elle donne aux gens le sens de la communauté, et sans une sorte de guide moral, les gens ne feraient sans doute pas ce qu'ils souhaitent.
Oh, believe me, they do that anyway. Plus, if the only thing keeping a person from killing and robbing another one is the thought that some higher power will punish him for it, then that person wasn't a paragon of virtue to begin with.
Certes. Non, mais moi je trouve ça plutôt intéressant les discussions qu'on a avec les personnages. La messe dans le dernier épisode, ouais, si je me souviens bien. Là, cette réflexion sur la religion avec Constantin. Mais bon, on va pas le faire parler plus longtemps. Au revoir.
Let's hope he knows what he's doing.
J'aurais bien aimé voir s'il y a des trucs intéressants à récupérer. Ouais, mais ça implique de voler des trucs, donc on va pas le faire. Moi, je suis pas un voleur. Je suis quelqu'un de bien.
Unreliable. That's what they are, all of them.
Je sais plus par où on passe.
Oh, you're here. I thought you were in the city.
Ah, c'est là.
No, the Archmagister ordered me back. Feels good to be here, to be honest.
Moi, j'aimerais bien aller jeter un coup d'œil à la vue.
Magister Karras has been looking for you.
Plutôt joli.
Huh? What do you want?
Là, on voit le port d'Arc, si je me trompe pas. Mais c'est tellement grand. Je me demande vraiment tout ce qu'il y a. Oh, un temple, un vieux temple. Une vieille structure. Je me demande vraiment tout ce qu'il y a à découvrir dans le jeu. Parce que de ce que je vois là, c'est vraiment très très riche et très fourni.
From the Grand Master.
Et je trouve ça assez surprenant.
Which ones exactly are you talking about?
Alors, il est 3h de l'après-midi. Je pense qu'on va se dépêcher d'aller voir l'Ishari ou la Shiri, je sais plus comment elle s'appelle. Ah oui, on peut se déplacer. Alors, où est-ce que on doit aller? À l'ancien Rashengrad. Et on peut utiliser la tour de Mirad pour se rendre là-bas assez rapidement. Et c'est ce qu'on va faire. Tour de Mirad.
Huh? Can I help you?
Yes?
Bonjour.
Walk blessed, friend. Where are you headed?
Est-ce que vous pouvez me parler de ces créatures, les Mirad?
About Myrids. What is there to tell? They're beautiful animals, majestic and wild, and dangerous if you're unlucky enough to run into an untamed one. In the time before the Blood Moon Revolt, a long time ago, tame Myrids like this one here was a really rare sight. Nowadays, though, they're pretty common, at least here in Endrol. Pity, somehow.
Ah ouais, dommage. Pourquoi?
Ah, I guess that sounds stupid, but I sometimes long for the times my grandfather lived in. Being a Myrid Warden was far more prestigious back then, and even feared with Sublime or Keepers. Nowadays, well, you can guess. Riding a Myrid has become as ordinary as riding a mule. But, who am I to complain?
Oui, je vois une espèce de nostalgie du bon vieux temps. Mais dites-moi plus sur les vols, comment ça se passe? Comment les Mirad savent-elles où aller?
Oh, well, that's hard to explain. They communicate by clicking sounds. I, as a warden, have been trained to hear them, but you probably can't. And through those clicking sounds, I also tell them where you want to go, before you mount them. Obviously, that only works for routes that the Myrid already knows by heart.
Ouais, donc on peut pas aller n'importe où. 25 couronnes, c'est cher. C'est très très cher. J'ai combien sur moi? Bon, allez, on a besoin que ce soit fait rapidement.
Sure. Where to?
Ah, je me souviens plus de comment ça s'appelle. Je ne sais plus. Nord des Hautes Terres.
Sure. Where to?
Ah. Ah oui, on est toujours avec notre accoutrement. Oui. On va rajouter un peu de santé. On va changer d'équipement. Très bien. Ouais. La cuirasse, c'est un peu bizarre. Mais ça va, on est plutôt stylé. Bon, où est-ce qu'il faut qu'on aille? Ok. Donc on va suivre le chemin sur notre gauche.
Bloody weather.
On va passer derrière. C'est quoi ça? C'est des loups? Oh putain! Ah, j'ai eu peur. Ah putain. Oh l'enfoiré. Putain, il nous a bien amoché. Est-ce que je peux manger les griffes d'ours sans avoir de problème? Allez, c'est parti. Restauration de vigueur. Restauration de santé pour les papillons jaunes. Ça, je le sens pas. Ça, c'est un champignon. Vulnérabilité au feu. Ok, c'est trop bien. Griffes d'ours. Restauration de vigueur. Après, pour aller chasser de l'ours. Vulnérabilité à la magie. Ok, c'est parti. Bah, allons-y. On récupère des champignons. Pas l'air d'y avoir grand monde. Cadavre. Oula. Ah, c'était peut-être ça.
Get away from there, now!
Qu'est-ce que j'ai fait? Qu'est-ce que j'ai fait?
By the prophet's ass, 1 second later and I would have been scraping your remains off the floor. What in blazes are you doing here anyway?
Qu'est-ce qui s'est passé?
Let's put it this way. I know how to hide when I don't want to be seen. And concerning the explosion, you stepped right into a Kyranian dust crystal. Get a little too close and wait a little too long, and you'll have your ass blown around your ears by an explosion that would put any cannon to shame.
Bon, peu importe. J'ai été envoyé par un mage nommé Constantin. Est-ce que vous êtes Lashiri?
Lashiri? Oh my. The fellow really isn't one for names, is he? I'm Lashari, but never mind that. At least it proves you're not lying. Anyhow, I hope you're not the backup I asked for. I was hoping for someone more, impressive. No offense.
Je pense que je peux me débrouiller. Mais non, je suis pas tout à fait le renfort. Constantin dit que vous pouvez effectuer une sorte de rituel sur moi pour m'aider à contrôler ma magie.
Is that so? Indeed. You have some uncontrolled magic inside you. And quite a lot of uncontrolled magic. Not bad. I've never felt anything like this before. Very well. If Constantine insists, I will perform the ritual on you.
Super.
But it'll have to wait, since I'm up to my neck in this shit, as you've probably noticed.
Non.
Short version or long version? Which do you prefer?
On va faire la version courte.
We got ambushed. Why and by who, I have no idea. But I'd guess they're mercenaries. They must have found a hidden entrance, because one moment, I was upstairs and inspecting our mules. The next, I'm down in the ruin to find it flooded by these fuckers. Now, here's the thing. All my scrolls and the artifacts we've been searching for are still down there. as are my assistant and his Indralean colleagues. And before you ask, yes, you can help me. You'll have to, actually, if you want me to tame your magic. I wouldn't have a chance fighting the mercenaries by myself, but the two of us might be able to do it, provided you can defend yourself, which I'm quite sure you can. What do you say? Are you ready?
J'ai l'impression que on peut rien obtenir gratuitement de toute façon. Hein. Faut toujours que j'aide des gens. De combien de mercenaires parlons-nous exactement?
No idea, but I don't think there are more than a dozen. Also, they don't anticipate any resistance, which is to our advantage.
Bon, c'est toujours ça de prix. Et quel genre de recherche vous effectuez ici?
Oh, that's hard to explain. But part of it is finding the answer to the universal question. Why do some people have the nerve to ask irrelevant questions when shit is going down around them?
Je crois que ça me
After we've cleaned
concerne.
up the mess, we can do this whole who are you and what are you doing here thing if you want to. But this really isn't the time.
Ok. Bon, bah allons-y.
Fine, then follow me. And keep your weapons ready. I think I just heard footsteps down there.
Pendant ce temps, ma torche s'est éteinte. Je vais peut-être prendre un peu de potion si on doit se fight. Ah merde. J'ai pas beaucoup de potions. Peut-être que la viande peut suffire. Bon, on va dire que ça suffit. On n'est pas seul à se... Ok. Ah merde, j'ai oublié mon bouclier. Oh, on se calme. Eh ben, Lishari, il se débrouille bien. Chaussures, coffre de nomade. Ils ont des vêtements stylés.
Stabbed like a pig. Hang on. What's this?
Quoi? Oui.
By the prophet's ass.
Par le
I
cul
don't
du
believe
prophète. Quoi?
They're orders. My assistant, Sev. It seems he's the reason these fuckers managed to take us by surprise.
Comment ça? Pourquoi je dis ça? Vous avez ma sympathie. Ou je sais pas, toutes mes condoléances.
Save it for Sev when I shove this staff up his ass and fire a thunderbolt.
Oh! Ça c'est... J'aime bien le style. Et peut-être que... Non. Ça ne vaut pas la peine. On avance? Oh.
Shit, can you smell that? That's fire. So, these guys really are trying to destroy our research. We have to do something. You're adept at magic, right? Take this spell and use it to put out the fires. If I'm right, the mercenaries are trying to destroy the stone fragments, and we have to stop them. You take the lower part of the ruin. Try to save as many stones as you can. I'll take the upper part, and when it's all done, we'll meet here again.
D'accord.
Oh, and one more thing. If you should find my assistant Sev down there, try to take him alive and bring him to me. I want to take care of him myself. Okay? Then let's get going.
Ouais, je ferai de mon mieux. Extincteur, le livre de sorts. Où est-ce que c'est? Étincelle, non. Attends, peut-être que je l'ai consommé. Extincteur. Éteins les feux lumineux dans le laboratoire de recherche. Ok. Moi qui voulais pas utiliser la magie. Mais bon. Ah! Ah, mais j'aurais dû utiliser ça. Bon. C'est parti. Ah d'accord. Je suppose qu'il faut faire vite. Oh. Cette musique stressante un peu. Approche! Ah, putain. Allez, putain! Qu'est-ce qui se passe? Ah, c'est bon. Il est où? Ah, il est là. Oh là! Qu'est-ce qui se passe? Il manque des pierres. Ah putain. Oh merde, merde, merde. Oh putain. J'espère qu'on va s'en sortir. Voilà, voilà. Merde. Merde, putain. Ah, le chef. Prions. Prions. Aïe 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 aïe. Mais laissez-moi tranquille. Le feu. Ah, enfin. Fouh. Parchemin. Téléportation. Parfait. Allez, on prend tout. Bon, je suppose qu'il faut avancer pour aller à l'autre. Mais j'ai envie de retourner sur nos pas parce que je pense qu'on a loupé des trucs qu'on pouvait ramasser. Oh, c'est les notes. Je me demande si mon parchemin peut pas ouvrir... Ah si, c'est ça. On va l'utiliser. Parfait. Merde. Nickel. Bouclier. On prend. Robe de novice de l'ordre. Ouais, il est moche. Il est passé où, Zef? Je sais pas. L'art du combat? Qu'est-ce que quoi? D'accord. Bah, je ramasserai plus de bouquins. Quartz bleu. Ah merde. Oh, de la bouffe. Non mais c'est pas bien ce que je fais là, je suis en train de tout dévaliser. On avait dit qu'on n'était pas des voleurs. Bon. Assez perdu de temps. Ah.
Well, I'll be damned. That's what I call good timing. I
Effectivement.
take it you were successful? What about the fragments? Did you save them?
Bah oui, ils sont tous saufs.
All of them? Call me a pregnant Lyran. You really are good at what you do. You won't regret it, I swear. What about Sev? Did you find him?
Bah oui.
Fuck. That little shit. I was hoping I could make him tell us who's behind all this. Well, whatever. No use crying over
Ah
spilled
merde,
milk,
il
I
a...
guess.
Ah, il a filé.
What's your name, anyway? Amidst all this, we didn't have time for formalities.
Je m'appelle Gatuldar. Ravi de vous hein? Ravi de vous rencontrer.
You're pleased? Well, that's good to hear. I actually had the feeling that I was a little rough on you. Sorry for that, really. Sometimes I just have a short fuse. Anyway, let's talk about the reason you're here. For starters, tell me how you managed to get the old ranter to trust you.
La
That
confiance,
doesn't
c'est
happen
un
very
grand mot.
often.
C'est une longue histoire.
I've got time. Uh-huh. So, you're saying that you learned all this, the magic, the swordplay, in such a short time? That's fascinating, to say the least. And these visions, if I understand correctly, you foresaw the death of the two apothecary?
Exact. Et oui, je sais, ça semble complètement fou.
It does indeed. But hey, who am I to judge? Here you are, the mysterious stranger who appeared out of thin air and, without much fuss, took out an entire group of sellswords.
C'est vrai que j'ai fait ça tout seul.
Now you tell me that these skills come from studying magic for only a couple of weeks, and that you can see the future. You certainly are full of shit.
C'est pas gentil ça.
Not you, sorry. I mean, I just had a strange thought. But no, that would be crazy. Way too unlikely.
Eh bien, improbable n'est pas rare ces temps-ci. À quoi pensez-vous?
Well, I'd like to speak freely, but I'm bound to my agreement with the Holy Order. However, I will tell Constantine and old Oranthiel about my theory. And you will probably have to be patient until the latter decides to put you in the picture. Sorry. But if my idea is correct, then we'll be in a position to really kick ass. Anyway, hold still for a moment. Ready? Alright, let's do this. Don't worry, it'll just tickle a bit.
Voilà. Ah putain. Ça doit faire mal ça. Ah, ma tête. Ah, vous avez essayé de me tuer. Avouez.
Are you alright? That wasn't on purpose. Really.
Eh ben... Non, ça ne fait rien. Ça ne fait rien.
Oh my, you really do look terrible. I will make this right, I promise. I have no idea what just happened. The ritual isn't exactly harmless, but normally you shouldn't feel more than a weak tickle at most, regardless of how it goes down. But, maybe this has something to do with the strangeness of your aura. I already said this, but it's so different.
C'est pas la première personne à me dire ça. Constantin... Il y en avait un autre. Bah, l'apothicaire... Finn, je crois. Mais j'ai jamais vraiment compris ce que vous vouliez dire par là.
It's hard to explain. Somehow complex.
Ouais, ça je l'ai entendu beaucoup.
Cold, maybe.
Cold.
But hey,
Froid.
I'm probably just out of practice. It worked, and that's what matters. Your fever will now settle down to an endurable level, and maybe even vanish if you're careful. And now I suggest you return to Constantine. I will get the stones to safety in the meantime.
D'accord.
You need anything else? If not, see you later. We're going to meet again. I can feel it.
Eh bien... Ouais, à propos de ces fameux fragments de pierre, vous ne m'avez pas encore dit à quoi ça sert.
Well, put simply, they're supposed to protect us. But old Oranthiel will tell you more about it later.
Ah, très bien. À bientôt alors.
Take care.
Est-ce qu'il y a moyen de passer de l'autre côté? Non. Et là ça mène... D'accord. Et je peux partir? Autrement, on va utiliser un parchemin hein, qu'on a récupéré, un parchemin de téléportation. Mais c'est bien tout ça, je vais pouvoir les revendre. Oh, jackpot. Jackpot. Ouais. On va utiliser un parchemin et on retourne à la maison. Il est quelle heure? 7h29. Ah merde, je voulais faire vite, mais... on va essayer d'aller voir Jespar au... poney dansant, je crois. Je sais plus. Wow. Wow. Très bonne musique ça. Nomade dansant. On se croirait à Brie, le petit village où atterrissent les hobbits de la communauté de l'anneau. Sous la pluie, puis se dirige au poney fringant. Et non, ici ce sera le nomade dansant. Petite pipe.
As I said, the offer stands.
Wait a moment. You're an outlander, aren't you?
Il est en affaire avec quelqu'un.
Hey, you came. Come on, take a seat.
Mead, stew,
roast pork. So, tell me, how are you holding up? It must have been quite the whirlwind. Yesterday, a refugee from another country, and now a prodigy with a magic great enough to impress old Bushybeard.
Ouais, franchement, je suis assez dépassé par tous les événements. J'essaie encore de comprendre ce qui m'arrive.
Good luck with that. I'm quite curious to see how things keep on with you. You're different. I noticed that the time we met. Anyhow, tell me, what do you make of this country now that you've had some time to look around? I figure it must be quite the change from Nerem.
Ah, c'est clair.
Shoot. Yeah, I can picture that. You know, this is exactly the reason why I love inns so much. The sky can rain fire out there. In here, you'll always meet laughter and good humor. Not to mention all the good-looking men and women.
D'accord. Je ne cracherai pas sur certaines de ces femmes, en effet.
Absolutely. Though I think I've seen enough of this place by now. Of Enderall, I mean. There's a ship sailing for Calais next morning, and as it seems, it will be the last one for quite some time to come. Who knows? Maybe they still have a cabin to spare for a handsome treasure hunter.
Tu veux partir? Vous voulez partir? Malgré tout ce qui se passe?
Oh well. This entire thing was more a coincidence than planned anyhow. The Order needed someone with skill and discretion. I was around. End of story. I never intended to stick around for much longer.
C'est vrai que vous êtes un mercenaire. Hein.
Me as an ambassador of the Holy Order, could you imagine that? Not one step further, O fair maiden. Drop your garment so we may both bathe in Malphas's holy light.
Oui.
Actually not that bad, don't you think?
Non. N'êtes-vous pas un peu trop descendu? Bah, c'est vite dit. Juste la folie pourpre. très convaincant.
Oh, you're too kind. But you know, at the end of the day, I guess I'd probably lack both the pathos and the idealism for such a profession. You know, I'm aware of how these esteemed keepers up there talk about sellswords like me. I could save 30 virgins from a Myrmidon rampage. At the end of the day, they'd always say I did it for the money, because I wanted to bed the women, or whatever. I'm driven by inferior motives, while no matter what their actions end in, they are good guys, because they do things for the right reasons. If only they'd understand that it's results that matter, not intentions. What does the wise hermit say? Nothing is of less importance to the saved than the reason for their rescue. The only difference between a mercenary like me and a holy warden is that I'm at least aware of the fact that I do what I do for myself, and no one else.
Qu'est-ce que vous voulez dire par là?
I'm trying to say that all those heroes and self-declared messiahs are no better than everyone else. In the end, we are all selfish, because we always act in accordance to what we think we have to be like. So yes, maybe the keeper saves the farmer from the bandits. But at the end of the day, he does it because he sees himself in a certain light. You know, the funny thing is that a lot of times, it's especially those who think of themselves driven by a higher purpose who are the really dangerous ones. They don't understand what drives them, and that makes them easy to manipulate. The only thing left to do for the capable hate-monger or tyrant is to somehow combine his own ambitions with the mental image of this person. And presto, you've got your perfect puppet, only waiting to dive into the next hail of arrows for their honor, their religion, or whatever they thought of this time. It's just so idiotic, you know? The world would be a much better place if everyone could just acknowledge that the only reason we're here is that we want to be happy.
Je suis d'accord avec une partie de ce qu'il dit, mais pas avec tout. Il y a un regard assez pessimiste quand même sur le monde.
If you say so. In any case, what is empty is my glass of wine, which is why I'll take my leave now.
Ah,
I
je l'ai
very much
vexé.
enjoyed our talk, but the ship to
Ah.
Chile leaves before the first cocks crow tomorrow, and I want some more time to think about it.
Ah, pas de souci. On va peut-être pas dire ça. Cette ville a besoin de plus de beaux mercenaires. Bon, faites donc ça.
Keep your chin up.
Bonne nuit, j'espère. Eh ben, nous, quelle heure il est? On va se réserver une chambre. Bonjour.
Malphas's blessings.
Je cherche une chambre pour la
And
nuit.
our room's looking for you. It's Snow Ark Noble Quarter, but it's warm and clean. Want it?
Oui, ça fera l'affaire. Hein. Allez.
Good. We'll open up the room for you. And please, no shady business. We walk the righteous path in here and don't want any trouble.
Vous pouvez compter sur moi.
May your path always be even.
Alors, où est-ce qu'elle va être ma chambre? Peut-être à l'étage.
Me, Stu, roast
Ça doit être ça.
Anyone?
Oh, mais pas mal. C'est plus grand qu'à Rêveville. J'ai pas le droit de manger par contre.
Some people just don't know their place.
Non, c'est juste l'amphore. Donc à minuit, il fallait qu'on aille... que je fasse un petit résumé de... Donc on va attendre minuit et aller chercher le troll dans la baie royale. Pour pouvoir avoir enfin cette monture tant convoitée. Et puis demain, on ira voir Constantin. Je pense que c'est un bon programme. Mais je pense qu'on fera ça dans le prochain épisode. Je vous remercie d'avoir regardé. N'hésitez pas à vous abonner si vous voulez voir la suite. Et puis je vous donne rendez-vous au prochain épisode. Allez, à plus. 21 tueurs d'as de l'étoile estivale, 8234. J'espère m'a fait rencontrer son employeur, Constantin Viveflamme. J'aurais juré que c'était alors. Nous nous sommes mal compris alors, bref. Ce dernier est un mage de Nérim, ancien ennemi du Saint-Ordre ayant combattu avec Narazul. Il est aujourd'hui en affaire avec Taylor à Arantheal, pour des raisons qui n'ont pas été explicitées. Il m'a ausculté et m'a proposé d'aller rejoindre une de ses collègues, Lishari Pégast, détentrice d'un savoir capable de soigner la fièvre arcanique. Je suis donc allé à sa rencontre, mais je l'ai découverte en prise avec des mercenaires venus saboter ses recherches. Après avoir nettoyé les lieux, elle a procédé à un rituel pour me guérir. Non sans mal. En effet, ce fut douloureux. Plus qu'accoutumé selon elle, car mon aura est différente, complexe. Je ne réussis pas à bien comprendre ce que cela veut dire, mais cela semble important à ses yeux. Je suis maintenant de retour à Arc. Demain, je retournerai voir Constantin, lui rapporter ce que j'ai découvert avec Lishari.